Ochazuke is my favorite way to eat smoked seafood. It's a simple Japanese dish made by pouring green tea over steamed rice with savory toppings. To make this dish, arrange all your toppings on a plate. Today I'm using smoked seafood that I got from Pure Food Fish Market, which is located inside Pike Place Market in Seattle. I got 2 types of smoked salmon, with smoked mussels and smoked scallops. So first, I'm going to flake the Alderwood Smoked King Salmon and the salmon belly jerky. Flaking the fish allows you to remove any bones and makes it easier to eat. Next, I'm going to cut the smoked scallops and the smoked mussels into bite-sized pieces. Lastly, I'm going to mince up the green onions to finish off the plate of toppings. When you're ready to serve, prepare your pot of green tea. Next, add some hot rice to a bowl, and feel free to use either a white or brown Japanese style rice. I'm actually using a 50-50 mix of white and brown rice together. Now it's time to place all the smoked seafood and other toppings on top of the rice. And in addition to the minced green onion, I'm also going to garnish this dish by cutting thin strips of seaweed over the top. And for a little added flavor, I'm adding a sprinkling of furikake, which is a combination of Japanese seaweed and sesame seeds. And the only thing left is to add the green tea. I like to pour the hot tea over all the toppings because I want the flavors from the smoked seafood to get infused with all that wonderful tea broth. Doesn't that look good?